Hi everyone, myself Srinivas, and today we will discuss a topic on half adder circuit and its truth table. First of all, half adder is a combinational logic unit, and it can add 2 bits at a time and produce sum and carry. Okay, it will take 2 bits A and B bits and it will produce sum and carry, sum S and carry C0. 2 outputs, okay, 2 inputs, 2 outputs, where it can add only 2 bits at a time. Half adder only 2 bits matram at a time add cheyadaniki use avutundi. Suppose 0 and 1, okay, and here 1 is sum and 0 is carry. So like this, only 2 bits. Suppose if you are adding 1 and 1, 2 bits, here sum will be 0 and 1 will be carry. Okay, in this way, half adder, by using half adder we can add only 2 bits at a time. Coming to, and this is half adder logic symbol, and it consists of 2 inputs and 2 outputs. One is sum and another is carry. Coming to the truth table, it consists of inputs A and B, 2 inputs, and outputs carry C0 and sum S. Here sum S and carry C0. Suppose 2 bits 0 0 is given at A and B. 0 0 is given, then sum will be 0 and carry will be 0. Okay, if you add this, okay, then if you add 0 and 1, right, just now we added 0 and 1, so 1 will be the sum and 0 will be the carry. 1 will be the sum and 0 will be the carry. The same way 1 0, if you add, same, carry will be 0 and sum will be 1. Okay, suppose if I add 2 ones, here just now we have added 1 and 1, then sum will be 0, carry will be 1. Here carry is 1 and sum is 0. Okay, this is the truth table of adder. So then we, after truth table, we have to write expression. Nothing but you have to draw a circuit. So we'll see how to design logic circuit. Okay, this is a logic symbol, and we will see how to design a logic circuit right now. Okay, for that we have to draw a small Karnaugh map, 2 into 2 Karnaugh map. So this is one Karnaugh map. Here we are seeing 2 inputs, nothing but we are taking 2 inputs. Then how many possibilities? 4 possibilities. 2 power, here 2 power 2 equal to 4 possibilities. Here 0 0, nothing but 0 1 0 1. Here A, here one side we will take A, another side we will take B. Okay, so we'll draw circuit for sum. Okay, for sum we'll perform a Karnaugh map and we'll draw a circuit. So sum, check wherever sum is having 1. Okay, sum is having 1, here 0 1, in case of 0 1 sum is 1, and 1 0, then sum is 1. Then plot this diagram into this Karnaugh map. Okay, so first one, sum is 1 in case of 0 and 1. Okay, A is nothing but, here A is 0, B is 1. Okay, then sum is 1. So A is 0, B is 1. Okay, A is 0 and B is 1 in this case. Yeah, then you have to draw 1 here. Why? Because when A is 0, B is 1, sum is 1. So we will draw 1 here. Then next A is 1, B is 0. Then sum is 1. Here A is 1 means A is 1 here, B is 0. Then sum is 1. So in these both cases, you have to draw expression round of these. These are we cannot form adjacent, quad or octal. So just we'll round it and we'll write expression here itself. Okay, this is A means 0, nothing but A bar. Okay, B is 1 means B. Then A is 1. A is 1 means A. B is 0 means A is 1. A. B is 0 means B bar. So we got an expression. Total expression is A bar B plus A B bar. Okay, that is an expression for sum. This can be, again we can retain it as A XOR B. Okay, you can draw this expression. So by using this expression, you will draw one circuit. Nothing but A XOR B is nothing but XOR gate. So we have to draw an XOR gate here. For that, we will see, this is one line, this is A, next B. We will take negation here only. And B negation. Nothing but B bar and A bar. So first A bar B. A bar B is nothing but here. This is A and here A bar, and this is B and this is B bar. So A bar and B. This is B line. So how it is? This is a product form. This is in A bar into B. Nothing but this is in product form. So you have to draw AND gate. And next one is A B bar. So this is A and B bar. This is B bar. So what we have to draw here? A dot B bar, nothing but product form, nothing but AND gate. So in between these two, we are having R symbol, nothing but plus, nothing but R symbol. You have to draw OR gate here, and this is a expression y equal to A bar B plus A B bar or A XOR B. Okay. So and right now we have seen sum expression A XOR B, and we will see expression for carry. So check where 1 is there. In case of when A is 1, B is 1, carry at that time only one case 1 is there. So we have to plot the same into the. So this is corner map. So 0 1 and 0 1 here A, and it is B. See here. So when A and B both are 1, when A and B, A is 1, B is 1, in that case it is 1. So what is the expression here? A is 1 means A, B is 1 means B. So expression for carry is A dot B. For that, if I want to draw A dot B, expression is, if I want to draw circuit, so AND gate. A dot B means nothing but AND gate. So we'll draw AND gate also here. A. So this is A and this is B. So this is AND gate. Here A dot B, y equal to. Okay, in this way you have to draw expression. So directly you can draw expression by using XOR gate. So far we have seen basic gates, and through basic gates we have drawn A bar B plus AB bar, and it is nothing but A XOR B, and right now we will directly draw the same expression using XOR gate. So these are two lines, one is A, B, this is y equal to A XOR B, and AND gate y equal to A dot B. Okay, this is expression using XOR gate and AND gate. Okay, this is sum and this is carry. Okay, hope you understand off header clearly. Thank you very much. In the description section of this video I kept PDF notes, so you can download for reference purpose. Thank you.